To import tools from Xilog into Genio, first of all go into your computer, into C drive, and put a new folder in there called Tools. So just an empty folder called Tools in there. Once that's there, go into Xilog, go into the configuration, ask for a password, Xilog 3, and go into configuration. Go into settings DXF CAD, and down on the right hand side here you'll find directory. In there type in C:/tools and enter. Close that and save it. Go into Genio, go into Tools and Options, and in the File page type in here the folder name we've found, or we've put it in, so C:/tools. You can also do that by finding it with the yellow folder on the right hand side. So we'll go to Tools on there. OK, that one. Make sure that if you've entered new tools into Xilog that you close and reopen Xilog again. It just refreshes it. When you've done that one, go into File and Tools in Genio, and this will bring up your tools that you have entered already, if there's any in there. Click on the first import, the yellow top left import box, and if you click on that, that will then direct you to where you've put tools. On here I've got various versions of Xilog, but the one I've just put in will come up as def.ext. Click on that, click open, it'll say overwrite conic tools, yes to that one, and that has now opened in that Xilog setup. It's now opened the boring bits. We can tell down the bottom left the boring bits that are in that setup. If I click on fluted mills, it's opened the fluted mills of that setup, and if I had saw blades, discs, then it would open there. E is the number tool, external 1, 2, 3, etc. E with the tick next to it means it's enabled, it's there ready to use. You can obviously untick it if you don't want to delete it, but just hide it out of the way. And the next box is def, so basically if the most common tool you're going to use is E1, just put a tick in that one. Obviously these are then all the details of that tool, those should import directly as you've done them in Xilog, so there shouldn't be any need to alter that. Close that, save changes, OK it, and now if you went into vertical mill, something like that, the one we've got ticked as default is there and the other tools are below it. If we're in boring, if I go into optimized, if this machine has a drilling head, we'll have all the different drilling ones there. If we're drilling with normal, so we could drill with the router tools, then they may be in there as well. That's how you import tools from Xilog into Genio. If at any point you update the tools on your machine and you want to copy them onto your desktop Xilog, go as if you were just going to normally open a program. So go into tooling, files of type tooling, copy that def folder from there onto a memory stick or something, paste it then into your Xilog on your desktop machine, which is the one we're looking at here. So copy it and paste it back into here again. Obviously if you want to open it, you can check it to make sure they are the right tools, that it has updated the tools you're expecting. Once they're in there, close Xilog, so close the Xilog, reopen it, and then you can go back into the Genio and File, Tools, and import with the top left one, and that will put in any modifications, just remember it's important to close Xilog and reopen it, or else they won't appear there. Okay, I hope that helps.